guys, what is up? We're here at SeaWorld Orlando for another Penguin Trek update and just to see what's going on in the park in general. Let's go inside. Not too much of a line coming through today. However, it is about 50-60 degrees out, so and the middle of the week, so yeah, not too bad. Still have Christmas going on, so we have the Christmas tree up and of course the garland at the SeaWorld store. Over in the SeaWorld store, so the gift shop right at the front, they have some new merchandise that I didn't see last time. They have a Santa Merry Christmas shirt, some snow globes, mugs, little lamplight, picture frames, Santa Never Stop Believin'. Oh, and then they also have some Passenger rewards going on right now. So they have a $10 SeaWorld bucks. They have an additional 20% off for some level of the Passenger rewards. And they also have some food and beverage discounts also going on. So lots of stuff for pass members going on right now. And they also have a lot of cute ornaments. So they have Rudolph, they got Bumble, and a lot more there. So we have good news. Sky Tower's finally open. What?
Teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild. Government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild. Well, dolphins. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica.
Over by Manta, looks like they're doing some work at the Manta soft serve station. So the penguin exhibit has pretty much no wait today, so I'm gonna take a look inside. Haven't been there in quite a while. And so here in the penguin area, there is a construction wall. However, it could have been here for a while. I haven't been in the attraction, but Yeah, we're behind here. We got some stuff in the back. So yeah. Kraken is still down for annual maintenance, although I did see test dummies on one of the trains, so it looks like it may have been testing earlier in the day. Looks like we have some more construction walls up by the Penguin Trek construction site area, so that's interesting.
They're sleeping proper. It's a little different, so it's not uncommon for you guys to see us take our animals out to the front pool. Really important in this environment. Now the elves, and Swirler. A lot of them on the other side really do like the jellos, so they get the jello pretty often, or big ice blocks and things like that. And get that food out to our animals as quickly as you can. I hope that you enjoy your day. Enforcement that's needed in certain scenarios, and it works out really well. We have found that.
And they do have a big merchandise sale going on right now behind Bayside Stadium, so it's going to be 65% off. It's for a limited time only, so I didn't see too much ride-related stuff, maybe like a cup or two for Kraken. Most of the stuff is branded SeaWorld stuff, some Howl-O-Scream stuff, stuff for like Florida-related stuff, like Orange Grove stuff, but a lot of t-shirts, a lot of glassware, a lot of plush, so yeah, come on down and check it out. Of course, we couldn't miss out on our pink chickens. Here we go. Looks like they're living the life. The flamboyance life. Well, that's going to do here from SeaWorld Orlando for our latest update as far as what's been going on for today. Sky Tower has reopened, so we got to see a more wider view of the Penguin Trek area. Looks like we got the crews working there rapidly. More track has arrived on site. The area is looking quite good. Mantis Soft Serve is getting some work redone on it. Christmas celebration is still going on, which is great. We had a merchandise sale also going on. So if you guys like what we do, follow on along on this great adventure at Penguin Trek and more updates. And I'll see you next time. Bye!